think all the new equipment that is being brought in with the Plan Numérique, or in English, the Digital Action Plan, is going to allow teachers to see some new possibilities in what they're doing, new ways to engage students. You know, getting comfortable with the uncomfortable, because a lot of times you're trying something new like robotics, and you know, maybe you don't have a lot of experience in that yourself, but you're taking that opportunity to try something new, to not have all the answers, and that's a kind of a really freeing frame of mind to adopt. It's also something that can be helpful for your students to learn, like, okay, I don't have all the answers, my teacher doesn't have all the answers, where can I look for to get the answers that I need to do, you know, to accomplish that vision I have in my head.
I actually loved seeing what the students had to say when they came and showed their robots. That was amazing. That was the best part.
C'est sûr qu'on a fait le tour des robots robotiques et puis de la sécurité. Fait que c'est toujours le challenge de la journée. Fait que ça fait que on fait un brainstorm, on est en équipe, et puis là après ça on fait essai erreur, et puis on rit beaucoup, on s'amuse, et ça fait qu'on aime donc la robotique.
Ben nous on adore ça, ça me donne des idées concrètes pour faire avec nos élèves, puis ça traduit la collaboration, donc ça me donne une idée de comment les jeunes vont réagir, c'est très excitant.
We were given a task, we weren't told what to do, we were told this is the objective, figure it out. If there was going to be a problem, the instructors did not come with an answer. We had to figure out the answer. So it's okay if the teacher doesn't have all the answers. Just relinquish control. Just think about what you want the students to learn. It's about the problem, but the teacher doesn't always have the solution, because there are a bunch of solutions possible.